Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. So, yesterday I had a delivery from Food Forest Nurseries, and they were two plum trees, a Santa Rosa and a Chickasaw. And today we're going to go ahead and plant them into the ground. Let's go. So, when these were delivered yesterday, I took them out of the box and put them in a bucket of water overnight. This is the Chickasaw plum. I'm a little confused though because there are three of them, and I'm not sure if I am supposed to plant them all three together or separate them. I think I'm just going to go ahead and plant all three of them together, and we'll roll the dice and see what happens. So I've already dug a hole, and I think this is deep enough for the hole is deep enough for it. I'm going to go ahead and put in some compost and some fertilizer, and then I'm going to put this in the hole. So we have it in, and I'm going to go ahead and finish putting or backfilling dirt around it. Then we'll go ahead and start the hole for the other one and put it in, and then mulch and water both of them. So this is the Santa Rosa, and I think I'm going to plant it alongside the bamboo pole to give it a little, being that it's tall, to give it a little bit of strength. Okay, and just like that, we got two planted in. We're going to go ahead and get my mulch for them, put it on, and then water them in and come back. So we got the mulch around this one and the other one, and we're going to give each one about a gallon of water. Follow me over to the other one and we'll water that one in. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we put these two new fruit trees into the fruit forest. We got Santa Fe plums and Santa Rosa plums and Chickasaw plums. And I'm happy with them. The fruit forest is coming along just like I wanted it to. I believe I have some more trees coming sometime this month. I know I have two fig trees, the LSU and the Icasi. I guess that's how you pronounce it. Forgive me if it's wrong. And I think if I remember right, have two cherry trees coming also. So after those come, we'll probably plant them farther back over in this area. But after those come, I think my fruit forest will be complete for the year. That will give us a total of 5 plus those 9 trees out in this area, and the two peach trees in containers. So that was one of the plans that I wanted to do, that I stated toward the end of last year, and that is almost complete. I'm happy with it, and things are going along well. I hope you enjoyed the video and you got something out of it, and it brought a smile to your face, a little warmth to your heart. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I'll be sure to reply. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food and fruit by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Fun fact from YouTube's algorithm, only about 15% of my subscribers have the notification bell all selected. So if we can move that up a little bit, that'll help me out in the long run. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.